Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and something that comes up often is people say, I hear a weird squeaking noise, this and that, what do I do? And so I'm going to show you one thing I do to diagnose it. On my Cobra today, I was listening down in here and heard just a little bit of a squeaking going on, and that's very typical with a lot of the idler pulleys in their bearings. And so what I do is take off the supercharger belt, and you want to be very careful with this. As you can see, I've basically just pushed down on the tensioner, removed it from the crankshaft, because the crankshaft will be spinning. You don't want it anywhere near that, so you want to be very careful doing this. Remove the belt entirely if you want to. And then when you go to start the car, you'll notice, of course, since the alternator is not spinning, you'll get your battery light and it'll show no voltage for charge. And so then you can spin these. And so if you could hear that, there was a little bit of noise in that bearing. They should not make any noise when you're spinning them like that. Then with everything back on, you can see we have our volts back up and everything's running normally. So anyway, this is just something that you can do to diagnose a problem. I also have a video that I'll put in the video description that shows how to replace those bearings. They can be removed on the aftermarket ones, the factory ones, not so much. But you can remove and replace those bearings if they are bad. So anyway, that's something that you can do to help diagnose it, is just isolate it by taking off the belt. Remember that the alternator will not be functioning, so you don't want to run the car along that way. If you do that with the inner belt, you won't have a water pump, so you got to be careful for that too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.